Hi, I'm Counselor Jim Thompson. I'm a licensed clinical professional counselor. I've been doing this for 40 years. So I like what I do, and I hope you can find it helpful. You ever find yourself thinking, why can't I just trust people the way others seem to? You're not alone. Trusting someone, whether it's a partner, a friend, or even yourself, can feel incredibly vulnerable. And if you struggle with it, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. It means there's something worth understanding. And today we're going to talk about why you might struggle to trust and how you can begin to gently rebuild that capacity in yourself and in your relationships. So let's get started. So, first of all, why does trust feel so hard? Trust is like a bridge. And if it's been broken, especially early in life, it can be hard to rebuild. Maybe you grew up in a home where promises were broken or love came with conditions. Maybe you were cheated on, lied to, or abandoned. Or maybe your needs were minimized, leaving you to figure things out alone. Each of those experiences sends a message. It says that people are not safe. Vulnerability leads to pain. So now, even if someone gives you no reason to doubt them, your nervous system stays on high alert. You're bracing for the moment that they let you down. This isn't because you're paranoid, it's because your brain is trying to protect you. So, so how does the struggle show up? Well, let's talk about what trust issues can look like in everyday life. You overthink every text message. You look for clues in your partner, if they're hiding something or if you think they're hiding something. You avoid opening up because you're afraid of being used or rejected, or you assume people will let you down, so you distance yourself first. These behaviors are not failures, they're defenses. They show you've been hurt and you don't want it to happen again. But here's the hard truth. If we never risk trusting, we never experience the connection we truly want. So, how do we start at least fixing it? Let's talk about healing. How do you begin to trust again? First, acknowledge the original wound. Ask yourself, when did I first learn that trust wasn't safe? You can't change the past, but understanding it helps loosen its grip. Two, start small and safe. You don't have to trust everyone or even your partner all at once. Start by being honest with how you feel. Let someone in just a little and see how it feels. Three, pay attention to patterns, not perfection. No one is flawless, but are they consistent? Do they take ownership? Do they show up for you, especially when it's hard? Four, practice self trust. Learning to trust others starts with learning to trust yourself, your instincts, your voice, your boundaries. You can't control how others show up, but you can build a foundation where you feel safe no matter what they do. Four, if you're in a relationship right now, and I hope you are, if you're currently in a relationship and struggling with trust, talk about it. Not with accusations, but with vulnerability. Try saying something like, sometimes I find it hard to trust, and it's not necessarily because of you. It's something I'm still working through. Invite your partner into the process. Let them support you, not fix you. Healing happens best in a safe environment, a safe connection, not in isolation. So if you've been hurt, it makes sense that you'd struggle to trust. But please remember, you're allowed to heal. You're allowed to believe in good people, and you're allowed to let love in again. Start small, be gentle with yourself, and take it one moment of courage at a time. If this video spoke to you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more support around trust, relationships, and healing emotional wounds, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I post new videos every week. Also, if you'd like to talk to someone one-on-one, I've included a link to BetterHelp below. It's an online therapy platform that I recommend, and it might be the next step toward rebuilding trust in your life. So, thanks for being here. You deserve a relationship where you can breathe easy and feel safe again. Take care.